Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the following AMC 8 2017 problem. And so let's start with a quick read. So a square-shaped floor is covered with congruent square tiles. And if the total number of tiles that lie on the two diagonals is 37, how many tiles cover the floor? Okay, so with this one, you basically have to think about how a square is, basically how a square works, right? So for example, if we have like a 3x3 square, and let's just do this as an example. So let's say we have something that looks like this, and that's a bad square, but basically our square would look something like this. Then the diagonal would be this and this. So if we shade these in, shade in the squares that are that the diagonal goes through, we basically get 5 squares, or there's 5 tiles that lie on the diagonals, right? And 5 tiles on the diagonals corresponds to 9 total tiles, right? That's a 3x3. And we can do the same thing with a, let's say a 5x5, right? If you have a 5x5 square, something like this, and it's obviously not a great drawing, but you get the idea. The squares that the diagonal passes through will be these shaded squares. It's this set of 5, and then you add on these additional 4, right? The middle one is already counted. But we basically get, if we have a total of, so that's 4 plus 5, 9 shaded tiles, then that corresponds to 25 total tiles, right? A 5x5. And so we see this pattern where if you have an x by x square, then how many tiles are covered by the diagonals? Well, that would just be 2x minus 1, right? Because, for example, 3x3, 3 times 2 minus 1 gives us 5. And then 5x5, you have 2 times 5 minus 1 gives you 9. And so you have an x by x square, you have 2x minus 1 squares are covered by the diagonal. And here they say you have 37 tiles lie on the two diagonals, which basically means we have a 37 right here, and we want to find what the square's dimensions are. So you have 2x minus 1 is equal to 37, 2x equals 38, that means x equals 19. So we have a 19 by 19 square, and the total number of tiles would just be 19 times 19, which is 361. And if we go back up, we see that that corresponds to answer choice C. And so that is all for the question today. So if you have any questions on how we solve this, please leave a comment. And if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. But that should be all for today. So thank you to everyone for joining, and I will see you all again tomorrow for another problem. Bye.